Before we go to the system analysis phase, let's consider the driver or the activities of the driver in a more detailed level. To do so, we go back to the parking assistant, so to the overview of the Arcadia method, and we scroll a little bit down until we see the point create a new operational architecture diagram. We click on that, and we are again asked to insert a diagram name, and we name this diagram parking activity. We click on OK, and the diagram is created. Now, in principle, we can create all the operational entities and actors again, but that would be against the principles of modeling with Arcadia because we have already created them, so we can reuse them here. To reuse them, we just click on this icon here, the circle with the line. We click on this, we click somewhere in the diagram, and a new window pops up which shows all the existing operational entities. Via double click, we can move them from left to right, or when we, in that case, we need all of them, so we can add here all elements. We click on OK, and now all the existing operational entities are reloaded and can be reused. Same for the operational actors. We click here on this arrow, click on operational actors, click again somewhere on the diagram, and we reuse all the operational actors we have created. We click on OK, and also those two are created. A nice feature is that also the interactions, so in that case the communication mean between them, is automatically recreated. Since the diagram is named parking activity, the driver is in focus. So we move all operational entities and actors to the left, except the driver. We resize the driver so that we have space for the activities the driver is doing, and we create them now. To do so, we click on operational activity, and we click on some space inside the driver operational actor. Now the operational activity is created. We double click on it, and we name our first operational activity drive into the cupboard. And we click on finish. Now let's create some further operational activities. The second one is hit pillar. Another one is the result, damage car. Another one is leave car angry. Resize the shape a little bit. And another one is call insurance company. Now let's resize the operational activities. And now we can click on the other. We can select or mark the other operational activities. We click on them and hold Shift. And the last one is the base for the resize. And when marked, we click on this icon here. Now we have all the operational activities resized. And now let's align and distribute them in a better way. We can click here on this arrow and distribute them vertically. And with this here, we can align them to the center. When done, we can resize the operational actor. And if required, for example, we can create now the links or the relationships between the operational activities with this interaction here. So for example, we can create an interaction between leave car angry and call insurance company, and we can give this interaction some name. In that case, we do not really need this for the moment, so let's undo this. We click on edit and undo. So now it is deleted fully from the model. Now let's better organize the other operational entities and actors. So we have the car workshop that needs some money. When this happens, just right click on the communication mean or on the line, and here remove bend points. Then we can change the line style, and now we can better move it or reposition it. Same here as here are some bend points. Let's remove them. Change the line style and give them a kind of better view. Same for money and request money. Change the line style. Move it a little bit down. And also here we change the line style and move this a little bit down. So in principle, this is a more detailed view on the operational actor of the driver, because here now we see the operational activities he is performing. We save it, and we now can continue with the next diagram.